Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Porchy Tech, and today I have another unboxing for you guys. But before I get into this unboxing, I currently have 925 subscribers. I'd really appreciate if you could help me get to 1,000 subscribers. So please, if you could just head on down below, hit that subscribe button, turn their notification bell on to get notified when I have uploads on the channel, and make sure your notification bell is set to all so you get notified as soon as I post a video. Okay, so before I get into this video, as you can see in the title, it has to do with the screen protectors for your Apple Watch. So this it's a 12 pack that I got from Amazon. Okay, I got this like it was a Cyber Monday deal that I got this pack for. It does have 12 different colors, and this is for the 44 millimeter watch, Apple Watch. If you have 40 millimeters, you can get the same pack. Just make sure you choose the correct size, and don't worry about it. I'm gonna have the link in the description for this pack for the 44 millimeter and for the 40 millimeter as well. So whatever size you have, I'm gonna have the description for that. I'm gonna have the link for that in my description. Okay, so you just go ahead, check it out, make sure you click on the correct link for the size of your watch, and go ahead and make your purchase. Okay, so let's go ahead and get into this unboxing. Okay, all right, so it's pretty much just pulling off that thing from the to expose these in the case. So we have silver, red, pink, blue, sand pink, this is called. We have light blue, we have black, green, this is another shade of green, purple, this is like a carbon fiber color here, and a crystal clear one. So I'm gonna go ahead and take these out, and we're gonna take a look at these one by one, all the colors. So as you can see, I currently have a black one on my watch here, and I'm gonna go ahead and take this off, and we're gonna try these that we have here in the package. Okay, so let's remove that, put it aside, and here we have, first up, we're gonna go with the silver one. Let's see what it looks like. There we go. Boom. I'm not gonna take the film off, so it might look a little weird with this thing that you use to remove the film on there, but just look at the edges for now. As you can see, this looks like a silver color. This is gonna look weird because I didn't remove the film from there. I'm not gonna remove all these films yet because I really don't want to mess the screen up, although we can clean it off. So that's how it looks with the blue band on here. Okay, so that's one. Just taking a quick look, that's it from the side, and I do have the black version of the watch here, so that's how it looks. Okay, that's one down. Let's look at the other one, which is red. Okay, let's go ahead, pop this on. Boom. That's how it looks with the red. Definitely doesn't match this blue watch band here. Okay, so let's close the screen. That's how it looks. All right, looks really nice, and these are tempered glass screen protectors, so therefore it's not flimsy. It's really hard. It's a hard case. Okay, and then this one we have seen like rose gold. Pop that on. That's how it looks. Looks really nice. All right, looks really nice. Okay, so you can get the band that goes with this. Speaking of band, before I move on to the next one, I'm gonna show you what I have here, because this is the OEM Apple braided loop band. If you want to change the color of your band, I did it. If you can see my last video before this one, you'll see I did a comparison between the Apple Watch band and the ones from Amazon. These bands, I got this. Comes in a 2-pack for $16.99, which is a steal. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and pop this is blue one on here. Let me get those bands out of the way for now. Pop this blue one on here. This is the blue. Looks identical to the color of the blue Apple Watch. Let's pop this on, see how it looks with the blue band. Wow, looks really nice. Look at that. Think I'm gonna be rocking this one as of today. This blue looks really nice with the band that I have here. Okay, looks really nice. Yep, looks really nice. Blends in really nice with the black buttons and the crown on the watch as well. Sorry. Let's pop this off, and we're gonna move on to the next one. This one seems like it's this one seems like it's at home, so it doesn't want to come off. So let's pop it off this way. Take it off. I also have this pink one right here. That's pink. Looks really nice. Looks really nice with the black combo. Looks really nice, and it's a nice color to change up your watch, make it stand out a little bit if you want to. So it's up to you, whichever color you like, you can make your choice. And this is a light blue. Let's pop this on as well. There we go. Not my taste, but someone out there probably would like this, but definitely not my taste. But it looks really nice. Okay, so let's go on to the next one, which is black. All right, so we're gonna put this black one on here. Boom, that's it. Looks really nice as well. Similar to the black one I had on here before. Same material, same exact material. Looks really nice. Pop that off, and here is the green. So light green. Pop that on here. Looks really nice. So now this is one of the bands I got from Amazon here. This green, I'm gonna pop this on here and see what it looks like. And if you're interested, I'm gonna link these bands in the description as well, so you can go ahead and make your purchase there. I'm gonna have both linked for the 40mm and the 44mm, so don't worry, whichever version of the watch you have, whether it's the 40mm or the 44mm, I'm gonna have the link in the description where you can purchase this band right here. Okay, so let's pop this on here, see how it looks. Put this on. Yep, looks kind of cool, but this green doesn't match this band right here. So let's go ahead, put on the other color. This is another shade of green right here. Let's pop this on. There we go. So this is really nice if you want to switch up, have your watch stand out a little bit different from the crowd. That's how it looks. Looks really nice. Then we got this purple right here, this light I'd say lavender. Let's pop this on. Looks nice as well. If you want to change your watch, change it up, make it look nice. Okay, and then we have this carbon fiber look right here. This looks really nice. Let's see. There we go. Looks really nice with the green, blends in really well. Just green glue, green and black, it's a great combo right here with the carbon fiber look. Really nice. And then we have the clear one. Let's pop that on. go. So this is a clear one, so whichever color watch you have, it's gonna pop right through this clear one, show up that beautiful color you have on your Apple Watch. There we go. So don't mind this sticker, it's just a tab to pull off that film that's inside the screen protector, but I haven't pulled them off. So yeah, but that's how it looks really nice. So I'm gonna go ahead and put my band back on here, the blue one that I had on my watch previously, which is the one I rock most of the time. Let's take this off, put this back on. All right, and I'm gonna pop the one that I'm gonna use. I told you I'm gonna be rocking this blue. Let's get this package out the way here, pull all the colors so you can see them. There we go. And we have 12 different colors here. This is the one I'm gonna rock here. This blue looks really nice. Goes nice with my blue band. Let's remove the film, put that on. And there we go. Beautiful. Look at this. Wow, really nice. Beautiful. So this is the one I'm gonna rock as of today, until I change my mind and grab something else later on, but this is really nice. All right, so as I said before, I'm gonna have the link for this in the description, so you can just head on down below, click the link in my description to purchase this pack with the watch screen protectors, and it there have variety of colors. That's on the Amazon as well. So I'm gonna have the link with this pack. For the price, you get 12 in the package. You can't beat it. Okay, so thank you for watching. Remember to please head on down below, hit that subscribe button, get me to 1,000 subscribers, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.